Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on your followers on your Threads app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Threads app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign here on down, then it's going to take you here to your profile here in this window. Then you just go up, you will click here on this sign here and up, then it's going to take you here in this window and you just click here on notifications and you come to notifications window here. You just click here on following and followers, then you come to a next window here. You come here to your followers, you click here on in this sign here, and like you see this color show for us here in this sign, that's mean you turn on your followers on your Threads app. I wish know you I get it, that's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.